Hey yo, it's Chris. Now I want to answer a couple of questions that have been out there. Why do I grout my walls first? Because the reason is, if I drop anything on the floor, I'm able to wipe it up and it doesn't destroy my grout on the floor. If I grouted the floor first and I drop white into my fresh grout, it's stuffed and I'd have to clean, and oh, what a pain. If I drop anything now, it's easy to just scrape it out with a knife, wipe it off, and then when I'm grouting the floor, it's the finished product. Now this is why I love white so much, because when you wipe it off, whooshka, bloody beautiful. I saw a bit of a thing on YouTube the other day. A wash boy was being talked about. I've been using a wash boy for years. I wouldn't use anything else. In the early days, yes, I used a bucket and sponge. I can do everything and anything with a wash boy. See the squares, how it's cut? I hope you can see that. That just takes out more grout when you're wiping. It makes such a beautiful job. I've been using these for years, like I said, and I fully recommend them to anyone. You still got to concentrate on your lines, but you rub it nicely. Look at that. Rinse off. Okay, we'll see you soon. I'll see you on the next wall.